Greetings to those on Internet. This is the speaking test of English level 2. Okay, I'm going to talk first about me. Second, about my travel in 2 weeks to Ocaña. Then, the weather in Ocaña. And finally, I'm going to talk about the recommendation if you go to Ocaña. I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Humberto Coronado. I am 27 years old. I am a professional technician electronic in telecommunication, and I am a student electronic engineering. I was born in Barranquilla, and actually I live in Barranquilla. My favorite hobbies is travel in my bike in a long distance. Okay, we're going to talk about my travel in 2 weeks to Ocaña. Two years ago, I went in my bike since Barranquilla unto Norte de Santander. I stayed in Abrigo the first day after the 12 hours of travel and 4-stop reset. The travel was exhausting, but it had wonderful landscape of mountains. I went with my travel friend in their own bikes. My friend Danilo rode in Suzuki GC 150, Mr. Julio with his wife in a Suzuki GN Nova, and me in a Suzuki GN 125. Well, the cost of travel was cheap, cause we went in the bikes. I spent about 100,000 pesos. It is all gas I spent in 3 days. Danilo have a friends in Abrego, and the first day we didn't pay hotel. The second day we visit Piedras Negras, Los Estoraques, Playas de Belén, Los Pinos, and finally Ocaña. The third day we meet the place of La Virgen de Torcoroma, and later we traveled to Barranquilla. My favorite place was Los Estoraques, cause I enjoyed the ride, the zip line travel between an estoraque to other. That was extreme. Okay, let's talk about the weather in Ocaña. The weather in Ocaña in the morning is cool, but when the sun is rising, the weather gets warm slowly and not much. Some place around the city is cloudy, and in extreme situation there is cool wine. Normally the afternoon is 28 Celsius degrees, but sometimes the day is sunny, and the night the darkness is very freezing. Okay, let's talk about when you go to travel to Ocaña. The first tip is if you go to climb the big rocks, you need to go with a local people. Second is you must read all announcements and signals. Enjoy the activity following the rules and use the protection kits. It's important that fit you, and you can't do it with the local taste. Okay, when you want to get out in the night, you must to use jacket and gloves. If you want to go in bike, I recommend that you go with friends or a team. If you go in motorcycle, you must take care and focus in the way. And finally, if you visit the city in the motorcycle, you must learn the traffic rules and degrees imposed by the mayoralty. Okay, I'm going to talk about what should to do. The first is, if you go in the bike, you should to use the element of protection and kit for the coolness. You should to bring first aid kit. You should to make a route and planify the place to visit. you should to bring a camera to freeze in the special moment and take videos of activities. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening to me, and success of all of you, and bye bye.